farmers and fisherfolk of the Cordillera in celebrating the National Farmers and Fisherfolk Month with a very inspiring theme, preserving heritage and capturing wealth. As we showcase the Paella a la Cordillera, a unique treat which combines a number of ingredients from our local farmers and producers. Paella a la Cordillera serves as a display for the benefits of our farm products and a representation of our culture and traditions. Let us therefore join the Department of Agriculture in strengthening awareness and appreciation for our local products and promote continued support in favor of our region's farmers and fishermen. And so today, let us acknowledge the successes and efforts that fisherfolk and farmers have contributed in ensuring food security and advancing national development, as well as all the exceptional groups and individuals who have been vital allies in the advancement of agriculture in our region and nation. As we celebrate, may this also be an opportunity for us to further boost the economy of the entire Cordillera region. This celebration is important for us to showcase the richness and beauty of our culture and the importance of working together to promote agriculture and tourism. As a member of the House Committee of Agriculture and Food in Congress, we continue to support and sponsor legislation that will uplift our agricultural sector. In conclusion, we once again express our gratitude to the diligent and hardworking farmers and fisherfolks who work from dawn to dusk in order to supply food that keeps us and our country alive. Indeed, you are the backbone of our society. And this serves as a reminder of your enormous contributions. Farmers and fisherfolks, we salute you for your diligence, endurance, and stability. By the grace of Almighty God, kawis ay National Farmers and Fisherfolk Month, kawis ay Paella de a la Cordillera, kawis ay